This is the Aftermarket Radio Network. It's your Weekly Blitz with Chris, keeping you in the game. Are you ready to supercharge your auto repair business? This is Coach Chris Cotton from AutoFix Auto Shop Coaching. The Weekly Blitz is where industry expertise and business innovation collide, revving your engines for the week ahead. Every episode has game-changing insights, up-to-the-minute industry updates, and practical tips to shift your business into high gear. We're talking about stuff you didn't even know you didn't know, folks. If you haven't done so yet, please check out all of the other great podcasts on the Aftermarket Radio Network. I want to give a big thanks to Shop Marketing Pros for sponsoring the Weekly Blitz. Brian and Kim Walker know the industry inside out as former shop owners. They don't do copy and paste marketing. They do create unique strategies for each of their auto repair shop clients. They offer incredible marketing that gets results, helping your clients and future employees to know, like, and trust you. I want you to go join their Auto Repair Marketing Mastermind Facebook group today. Shop Marketing Pros is top-tier marketing for top-tier shops. Visit shopmarketingpros.com/Chris. I've heard this term used a lot lately. I was actually in an industry meeting yesterday and somebody used the term mom and pop, and it really pissed me off. If you've ever been around me, you know that if I get a little upset or angry, I get a little red on the back of the neck and I flush up. I'm pretty sure that I did that in this meeting. So I stopped and wrote a blog post to share on the website, but I also wanted to do a podcast episode on it. I'm not real sure why it upset me so much. Maybe it's just the passion that I have for auto repair shop owners. I grew up in rural southern Oklahoma. Mom and pop to me means something completely different than the shop operators I see now. I just want to talk through this a little bit. It's one of these terms that I want to eradicate. And if you are a vendor in the auto repair space, stop using this term. I'm going to call you out on it. Anytime somebody says mom and pop in front of me, I don't care where you're at, what you're doing, I'm going to blast you. Let that be your warning. To get into it, I want you to stop using the term mom and pop shops in the automotive aftermarket auto repair industry. In our industry, there's a term that gets thrown around a lot, mom and pop shop. You've heard it. You may have even used it. For years, this phrase has been a badge of honor for smaller independent businesses, signifying that they offer personalized service. They have deep roots in their communities and are a family-run operation. But here's the thing. It's time to stop using the term mom and pop shop. Not only is it outdated, but it can also have negative connotations that don't reflect the professionalism, capabilities, or the modern approaches these businesses often represent today. If we talk about why we need to leave this phrase in the past and start redefining what independent auto repair businesses really are, then let's talk about that. First of all, again, mom and pop can be detrimental to perception. When people hear mom and pop shop, what do they imagine? Often it's a small, possibly disorganized operation with limited resources, older equipment, and a couple of people trying to hold stuff together. You know, this can evoke an image of a business stuck in the past, one that may not be as capable or as cutting edge as a larger franchise competitor. The reality is that many independent shops today are highly sophisticated, multi-million-dollar businesses. They use advanced diagnostic tools, have specialized training, and offer a level of expertise that rivals, if not exceeds, what you'd find at a dealership or a corporate chain. Professionalism and growth are key. Most shop owners I know, and I've worked with a lot of them, are savvy business people who've grown their operations into streamlined, customer-focused, tech-driven machines. They're not just mechanics working out of a greasy garage anymore. They're running businesses that deal with advanced vehicle technology, complex financial operations, and high customer expectations. Labeling a thriving business as a mom and pop shop undermines the years of hard work, the strategic investments in technology, and the professional development that goes into making these shops successful. It minimizes who they are and what they do and the scale and professionalism of what they built. Next, modern independent shops are more than family run. There's a lot of them that do have family in it, but there's nothing wrong with being a family-run business. In fact, it's something that gives many shops their heart and personality. But it's important to move beyond just that. Shops today are structured for efficiency, customer satisfaction, and employee development. They've got systems in place, strong digital marketing strategies, online booking tools, and top-tier training programs for their staff that are probably better than 60% of the businesses that you see day to day, maybe even higher number than that. Independent shops can compete with, many cases outperform, and kick the asses of the large corporate chains in terms of service quality and customer experience. So why are we saddling them with an old school label that doesn't do them justice? If you want to change the way customers and employees see your business, you have to start with the language you use. Referring to your business as a mom and pop shop might be comforting to some, but it can also imply that you're small, limited, old-fashioned, and closed-minded. This affects how customers perceive your shop's capabilities and might even influence their decision on whether to trust you with modern, complex vehicle repairs. Instead, focus on terms like independent, locally owned, family operated, if you want to keep that family vibe. Better yet, highlight the strengths of your business by using terms like professional, specialized, or expert. These words signal that you're more than capable of handling today's advanced automotive needs. The good thing is that the future of independent shops is bright. The automotive industry is rapidly changing. We have more technology, more competition, and higher customer expectations. Independent shops are rising to the occasion, and the ones that are going to thrive are those that position themselves as modern, capable, and forward-thinking. So again, let's stop using the term mom and pop and start using language that accurately reflects the professionalism and expertise we bring to the table. We're no longer just a small shop down the street. We're thriving, and we're independent businesses ready to compete at the highest level. It's time the rest of the world sees us that way as well. To conclude, words have power. Let's use them wisely and intentionally to shape how our industry is viewed by customers, employees, and the broader marketplace. The next time someone refers to your business as a mom and pop shop, punch them in the throat. No, sorry. I mean, politely correct them. Tell them what you really are, an independent, modern, professional auto repair business that is equipped for the future. Sometimes I amuse myself, people. Thanks to all of our incredible listeners. Your passion and drive motivate us to deliver top-notch content. A big shout out to our sponsor, Shop Marketing Pros. If your shop is the best in town, but your marketing isn't cutting it, it's time for a change. Shop Marketing Pros understands your business and ensures your shop stands out. Where quality meets visibility, Shop Marketing Pros ensures your auto repair shop stands out in a crowded market. Thanks for tuning into the Weekly Blitz. Remember, it's time to rise, grind, and keep your mindset positive. Until next time, this is Coach Chris Cotton signing off. Have a great day, everybody.
You've been listening to the Weekly Blitz with Coach Chris Cotton on the AftermarketRadioNetwork.com. Follow Chris on your favorite podcast listening app. Let him know what you'd like him to cover. His email is in the show notes. Chris is all for advancing the aftermarket.